Manju and Asha.
Hi Manju. Hi Asha.
Hi.
Bharat Parekh.
Why you're looking so pretty?
Hello, how are you? Congratulations.
Good. अरे congratulations.
हाँ?
पहले आप देखो तो सही, बाद में congratulations.
क्या एकदम सडनली आपने तो फिर अपने क्लब में रखना चाहिए अपने को.
वो बाद में. Hi Asha.
Asha's on mute.
Unmute yourself.
देखा मैंने. अरे लेला ने congratulations कही.
Congratulations.
Hi Darshana, કેમ છે?
બસ મજામાં, કેમ છો?
બસ fine. Busy with your kitchen work.
ના, આજે free.
Today free. Okay.
Darshana, your Marathi menu is just superb.
Superb, ne? Piyush is also added.
You ask for it because you are not, you know what.
Asha, unmute yourself. Asha.
She disappeared. I took my vaccine today.
अरे वाह. I took on Monday.
Any problems?
સરસ સાડી છે.
Thank you.
હા. બોલો.
बस it will start after some time, some more time left.
Okay. Nice.
Yeah, 5 minutes left.
Yeah.
I think they must be starting at 7:45.
Yeah, it starts at 7:40, 7:45.
15 minutes.
7:40.
15 minutes of fellowship is there.
Where is Shashikant?
He's gone to
Shashikant,
do
he
some
came,
work.
he said, I'll finish.
He also took the vaccine. That's why I'm asking.
Acha.
He was leaving when I entered.
Yeah, there he is.
Hi Shashikant.
लिया कि नहीं?
लिया.
और सर्टिफिकेट लिया कि नहीं?
Certificate, he gave me the number. We have to download it here. As you said.
We got immediately at KEM.
No, something was not working or something, so they gave us a number. And, I told him, take a photo. And because sometimes they write the number wrong, you know.
Yeah.
So then that should not be.
And they are too heavy to be unloaded anywhere.
You're feeling all right, no, Sashi?
No problem. Nothing even the first time.
Yeah, nothing on the first time. I was wondering whether the second time mere ko kuch hoega. You know what? I did my antibody test before this second dose.
Okay.
More than 400
After
tighter.
the first dose. Okay.
After the first dose and after my COVID.
And
Imagine. So I shouldn't have taken the second dose.
Actually, आज आपका तीसरा डोज हो गया फिर.
I know, exactly.
yeah, I'm not going to.
तीसरा dose हो गया.
And this.
I'm ready to donate blood now. Plasma.
Water filling is started.
Good. But I don't know how effective it is.
What? The vaccine?
No.
Then? What?
Plasma.
That I don't know. But abroad they were giving.
First time आ रहा है.
Plasma donation is given up actually. It is.
नमस्ते.
They gave Trump.
Asha, unmute yourself.
अच्छा तू अनम्यूट है. अनम्यूट कर तुझा व्हिडिओ.
ओके. हाँ. आता ऐकू येतं.
मैत्रिणीसाठी येते तू बाकीच्यांसाठी येत नाहीस.
ते मला जमतच नाही. मी आपलं कुकिंग करते. आज लवकर कुकिंग करून येऊन बसते.
तू करते कुकिंग? Asha?
Prema.
Hi, Asha.
Hi.
Madam Laila, how are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I am good, madam. Looking forward to your lecture.
Keep you after so long, almost an year, I think.
Yeah. I have been here. Asha ji, you have been cooking.
Yeah. I feel like taking a talk on my journey of cooking only on this.
Yeah.
Take it.
Like how
Your talk will be journey of COVID.
on cooking. Vijaya Bagre spoke on cooking during COVID times.
Yeah.
Hi,
I
Laila.
gone
Hi,
from
Sony.
scratch.
Sony has joined from Singapore.
See her. Where is
Go
Sony?
on.
Sony.
So, Sony Adurkar.
From Dubai or Singapore?
Where? Dubai. Acha, okay, Dubai. Sorry, my mistake.
Hi, everyone. Good evening.
Hi, Pankaj. Nice to see you. Hi,
Yeah. How are you?
Pallavi is also there.
Pallavi. Arey wah.
Pallavi.
Pallavi इतना जल्दी उठी है.
Pallavi,
नहीं, it's
Pallavi,
Hi, Asha. Hi, Manju.
9 o'clock, no? Hi.
Pallavi, you are muted.
Hello.
Pallavi, you are muted.
So you're ordering.
Pallavi. Unmute.
You can,
Okay, I should be.
Hi, Bharat.
yeah, come.
મનોજ પેલા બેસ્ટ બાય વાળાનો ફોન છે.
Sony. Unmute. Huh? How are you, Sony?
I'm good. How are you?
Great.
All the best.
Nice to see you. Sony
I
is
know.
my classmate from Dubai. Pallavi is my classmate from USA. Our classmate rather. Rajesh, Manju, mine. We three are from the same class.
पल्लवी ने फोटो किसका डाला है?
હેલો.
पल्लवी
बच्चे का Pallavi.
હા, can you see?
Yeah,
Can you hear me?
Yeah, we
yeah,
can
of
hear
course
you.
we can hear you.
Okay, great.
We can
Okay.
hear you.
I'm on a Zoom meeting, Manoj.
Manoj can also join.
Hi.
No, I know he's busy with somebody's coming to take care of the stuff, so he'll be busy.
I thought he's busy with his painting.
Yeah, actually that's what he was doing in the morning.
Hi, Anil. Nice to see you join. Where is Dr. Aspi? Dr. Aspi?
He's joined or what?
What time is the meeting going to start?
Now
In 2 minutes. In 2 minutes.
Okay.
Intolerance word use किया याद है?
Komal is the in charge of meeting. She will tell us.
Okay.
जब काम है तुम्हारा इंटरेस्ट कहाँ है तो बोलना
Right it out.
आपके दोस्त है साथ में बैठ
मैं तो
So I'll request the other participants to just mute
Hi, Anil
yourself.
bhai, how are you?
Hi, hello.
Hi.
Everyone put on your videos.
Yeah.
Hi, Anil.
Hi, Anil, Aruna.
Hi.
अरुणा, तुम्हारा केरला का फोटोग्राफ अच्छा है. Muted. You are muted.
You're muted. Unmute.
I said you are not there now to photograph me.
ये क्या है राजेश, नया पेशा चालू किया है क्या?
Hi.
Parija,
कुमटा
just unmute yourself.
है ना वो? हाँ, अनिल कुमटा.
Hello.
शशिकांत here, Shashikant.
Hi Shashi, how are you?
I'm very good, Anil. Great to see you.
Shashikant and you were playing cricket together. I saw.
Hi, Aruna.
Shashikant, you were playing cricket or table tennis with him, Anil?
No, I was into cricket. For the same club, Worli Sports Club, same club.
Same school also, Sacred Heart.
Yeah, same.
Sacred Heart.
Hi,
Santa Cruz.
No, Worli. At
Worli.
It was very small at
Worli,
that
acha.
time. Very small. Near the naval base. Home of the naval tower.
So doctor, at what time you want me to start?
5 more minutes and we'll start. Yeah.
Okay.
Hi Laila, hi Manju.
Hi, Dharmaraj.
How are you?
Put on your video.
Yeah.
Professor Aspi, namaste.
Namaste, namaste.
Aspi is busy on the phone.
अच्छा. હું કહું છું. હું કહું છું ઓકે ઓકે શ્યોર ઓકે તમે હોય તો પછી આવી જજો ઓકે શ્યોર ઓકે હેલો
Professor Aspi, namaste.
યા નમસ્તે નમસ્તે લૈલા મેડમ
हाँ बोलो.
Dr. Sangeeta Agarwal, I think she is not around and she has asked Dr. Kenya
हाँ.
to just carry on with our program, but I think she is on the road and she is not getting the signal.
I'm back.
Oh, you are back. Very good, very good.
No, but I'm back for a short time. Again, it will go off because
Yeah.
depending on the traffic and the.
Achha.
Madam, can we start or should we wait?
I think we can start. I
Okay.
suppose so.
For 2 minutes, then start.
Few minutes.
Okay, whatever. It's your.
Or maybe another 2 minutes and we start. Yeah.
Sure, ma'am. Then you start off. We all know you, and I like this topic, madam, aapka,
Okay. Okay.
because dance is such a vibrant thing, na?
Hmm.
And I think we needed this vibrancy in COVID lockdown. We need some pep up.
Good. I hope it goes well
I am sure it will, madam.
and that everybody has lot of energy after this program.
Yeah, why not, madam? I'm sure it will go well. आप जब चाहो तभी चालू करो, मैडम. आप just बोल देना तो अमित will mute everybody else.
Komal. Amit is not there. It's Komal.
अच्छा, कोमल है आज. अच्छा.
Yeah.
Yes, doctor.
Madam, how long have you been doing this?
Mute now. It's around 6, 7 standard.
Okay. So school days, huh?
Yeah.
And what kind of classical dance? What did you train in, ma'am?
Tell about it. Just wait.
Yeah, I will just tell.
Okay, you will be telling. Very good.
The excitement should build up.
Yes, it should be.
What's to prove to you that he's useful so that you have to pay some attention to him? Jesus Christ. What? Where are you going?
Okay, I think we'll start.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so Dr. Leila, I'll just mute all. So you have to unmute yourself, okay?
Okay, fine.
I can go take care of shit.
Done. So Dr. Leila, just unmute yourself. Yeah, done.
Thank you.
So before starting this session on Dance Day lecture by Dr. Leila Dave, would like to introduce her. It's my pleasure. She don't need any introduction, but still, she's practicing as a senior practicing gynecologist attached to Apollo Spectra Hospital, Wockhardt, and also working with Raheja Fortis. She's a gold medalist during her university's days for general surgery and also an active Rotarian. She is very much interested and passionate about various other activities which will be showcased this evening. So we are looking forward to it, Dr. Leila Dave. So now stage is yours. I'm handing over the mic to you.
Thank you so much, Komal. I'm really happy to see so many people over here. And I will straight away go to my topic, Dance the Elixir. Elixir means a magical or a medicinal potion guaranteed to induce love and prolong life. Can we go to the next slide? Komal, can we go to the next slide? So the beginning. Why I would like to talk about the beginning? Because besides dancing, I had many other interests when I was in school. For example, singing, needlework, learning various languages, cooking, and of course, dancing. I will just touch each topic. First, I will start with needlework, where I learned a lot of embroidery, knitting, crochet, and tatting. I think many of you may not even heard of tatting. And in knitting, there is one thing which I would like to say, that when Princess or Lady Diana visited Australia on an official visit, she was given a beautiful sweater with a koala bear. And I happened to see that photo in one English magazine. And believe me, I made a sweater exactly in same colors, but unfortunately I don't have it. It was so well appreciated. Then coming embroidery means I have designed saris. I think my friend Dr. Manju also knows because both of us used to work together on saris during our MBBS days. Tatting is a shuttle work, and this is not taught in any schools. But in my school, my teacher Gargi, she knew. And whenever I had little free time or recess, I used to go and pester and learn from her. And because of this tatting, when I was in medical school, I used to make laces, collars, flowers, and gift to all my friends on their birthday. Then came learning languages. I am very proficient in Hindi, Marathi, Gujarati, of course, because it's my mother tongue, English. I have learned French, Arabic. I have appeared for exams in Bengali and cleared 2 levels in Bengali also. I do understand spoken Telugu and spoken Tamil. Now Hindi. One point about Hindi I would like to say, in those days we used to have this examination, Rashtra Bhasha. And in 8th standard, I appeared for a level called COVID. Not COVID, it was COVID. Means it was masters, and I was in 8th standard, and my classmates were all Hindi teachers, professors, and those who had done BA, MA in Hindi, and I was the youngest student. And I passed. So for the convocation, I was the youngest girl over there, and it was a very nice moment for me in life. But then those days we didn't have pictures or photographs or anything. So I don't have any of those things. But because I learned Hindi, my 7th standard class teacher did not know Hindi. So I had to go and teach her Hindi at her place after the school. And I had to keep this a secret because students should not know. So that is the way I taught. And I'm not officially trained in Gujarati. But next to my house, we had a primary Gujarati school. And I was in about 7th standard. And whenever the teacher never used to come to the school, they used to send a message to my house, and I used to go and teach the Gujarati students in Gujarati medium. That is how I developed love for languages. Cooking as an aptitude came only later in life, that is after MBBS. And people do appreciate the charts that I make and tasty South Indian food that I make. Then about singing. Singing in the school, you know, I really had good voice till I developed this vocal nodule and had to be operated. So anytime there was a free lecture, teachers not coming in, people used to make me sing. And then I have no idea why every time they asked me to sing one particular song. Komal, can you play that song?
You're next.
Yes.
Sound. Sound is not coming.
Sound.
There's no sound.
There's no song.
लगते हो अजनबी तुम जाने पहचाने से लगते हो ये बड़ी अजीब सी बात है कि नई नई मुलाकात है फिर भी जाने क्यों अजनबी तुम जाने पहचाने से लगते हो.
Back to the slide.
Back to the slide. So then comes dancing, which is my passion to date. Due to being in medical field, I could not pursue all my passion, but somehow dance I could. I have undergone training. Next slide.
अजनबी
I have learned Bharatnatyam up to Tilana, Manipuri, Nritya Natika, that is a dance drama where I've acted as Bhakta Prahlad and Bhakta Dhruv, and folk dances. But those days, dancing was not at all thought as a profession, and especially in a Gujarati family, nobody ever even thought that I could take this up as a profession or progress in this. So everything ended with at that time once I left the school. Next slide. So coming to the dances of India, we have classical, folk, regional, Bollywood. So coming to the classical dances, next slide. The Sangeet Natya Academy and Ministry of Culture recognizes 8 forms of dance as classical Indian dances, also called as Shastriya Devesh, and these have roots in the Sanskrit text Natya Shastra. Now these dances are Bharatnatyam, Kathak, as you can read, Kuchipudi, Odissi, Kathakali, Mohiniyattam, Satriya, and Manipuri. Now a 9th dance form has been added called Chahu, but I don't know anything about that. Kathak is from North India, and this, I'm just talking about this dance because it dates back to earlier than 400 BCE and is also mentioned in the epic Mahabharata. And it is an art of storytelling of Lord Krishna. Bharatnatyam. Next slide. Bharatnatyam is the national dance of India, where Bhava means expression, Ra is raga or melody, and Ta is tala means rhythm. Next. Revival. Just as I told you all, most of my art took totally a backstage once I joined science and then medical college. But my dancing rekindled at a Falguni Pathak show. It was actually a Rotary program held at Grand Medical Gymkhana, Marine Lines, where about 600, 700 people were there. And Falguni Pathak was very new then. And we were all dancing. And suddenly one gentleman and one lady come and asked me my name and profession and everything. And they told me that I should wait till the end because they were judges. But unfortunately, I had to leave, and next day I came to know that I was one of the prize winners in that. So then it struck me that I should do more dances. And then the revival came more, meeting my mentors, Parijat Naik and later Tamohar. So from Falguni Pathak, the next slide, please.
Play.
Play. Next slide. So when I met my mentors, Parijat Naik, and through whom I met Tamohar, Parijat is basically professionally an architect, but she has done her diploma in Bharatnatyam and completed Arangetram and master in performing arts from Netherlands. Tamohar, who is presently doing his masters in Bharatnatyam at Nalanda Institute at Juhu under the guidance of famous dancer Kanak Rele. Can we have this dance, please, Komal?
te te yum ta ta tam kita takada te te yum dhalan kutak dhalan kutak tari kita takadam ide tam kita takade ida te tatte ida takita dam ida de tam takada kita te ida te tatte tatte kita takadari kita takadam ditta adatta kittade tatte tatte adatta kittadam ditta takada kittade tatte tatte kita takadari kita takadam ditta kita takade adatte kita takadam adatta kita takade takadari kita takadam ditta kita takade adatte kita takadam takadari kita takadam kita takadari kita takadam ditta kita takade tatte kita takadam ditta kita takade adatte kita takadam ditta kita takade adatte kita takada tam kita tam kita is it?
Then the next dance, Komal. The Bollywood of Parijat and Damohar. Because that's my son's Sangeet. Thank you, Parijat and Damohar. So friends, mentors can be anyone. You can get trained by anyone who is small, your age or seniors. I have been having many mentors while doing my gynecology. I can't see who all are there, but I had Dr. Adi Dastur, Dr. Vandana Walvekar, Madam Mutasha, Dr. Usha Krishna, Dr. Shirish Sheth, many of them. And I learn every day something from someone, whoever it may be. So as it is said by Kabir, that sab dharti mein kagas karu, lekhni sab banraj, सात समुद्र की मसी करूं, गुरु गुण लिखा ना जाए. Means, if I make this whole earth a paper, and I make pens of all the trees in the world, and I have 7 oceans filled with ink, but still this is not sufficient to praise the good deeds of the gurus. So one thing I would like to tell the juniors, that always have some mentors, some gurus in your life, because they will definitely change your life. Next slide, please. So then I was introduced to salsa and Bollywood. It is Parijat who introduced me to salsa. And due to my interest in dragging, I had to drag my husband Rajesh to start learning the salsa, because in salsa you always need a couple. I think initially he was a little hesitant, but then he started enjoying the dance. So salsa means basically sauce. It's a mixture of dances, taking 3 steps for every 4 beats of music, involves movements of lower half of the body, and 1 hour of salsa can burn 400 calories. It originated in Eastern Cuba in 1900s and came to New York in 1960. So can I have the next one? Play. This is not.
You're saying something, doctor, or should I play?
No, play.
¿Quién eres tú? La he echado. He removido cielo y tierra y no te encontré. Y llegas hoy tan de repente y das sentido toda mi vida con tu querer.
Una soñar, una vecchiana, yo vivo nel se कहा है señorita, मगर फिर भी ना जाने क्यों मुझे सुन के अच्छा लगा है señorita.
No desvíes la mirada, quédate cerca de mí.
मुझको बाहों में तुम ले लो, समझीना señorita. जो भी पल बीता हे señorita, हर पल तुमने है दिल जीता, बस इतनी सी तो बात है.
No desvíes la mirada, quédate cerca de mí.
मुझको बाहों में तुम घेरो, समझीना señorita.
चाहत के दो पल भी मिल पाए, दुनिया में ये भी कम है क्या, दो पल को दो आओ खो जाए, भूले हम होता हम है क्या, चाहत के दो पल भी मिल पाए, दुनिया में ये भी कम है क्या, दो पल को दो आओ खो जाए, भूले हम होता हम है क्या.
So this was not actually a salsa, it was flamenco. There is a difference between flamenco and salsa. If anyone wants to know, I can explain later. So then we come to the Bollywood dances, which are noted for free form of expression, and they hold a significant presence in India. Phenomenal fusion of vibrancy, rhythm, and energy. The word Bollywood was coined in 1970 when Indian cinema overtook Hollywood in film production. So friends, now we will go for some more Bollywood performances. I would like to say that in medical college, I think I had quite a few admirers. I don't know if Rajesh agrees or disagrees. What I should have said then, I couldn't say it, but I did perform at a reunion in Jan 2020. Yes, Komal, the next one. Next one.
ऐ दिल मुझे बता दे तू किस पे आ गया है, वो कौन है जो आकर ख्वाबों पे छा गया है। ऐ दिल मुझे बता दे तू किस पे आ गया है, वो कौन है जो आकर ख्वाबों पे छा गया है। मस्ती भरा तराना क्यों रात गा रही है, आंखों में नींद आकर क्यों दूर जा रही है। मस्ती भरा तराना क्यों रात गा रही है, आंखों में नींद आकर क्यों दूर जा रही है। दिल में कोई सितमगर अरमां जगा गया है, वो कौन है जो आकर ख्वाबों पे छा गया है। ऐ दिल मुझे बता दे तू किस पे आ गया है, वो कौन है जो आकर ख्वाबों पे छा गया है।
Komal, can we move to the next dance?
मेरे महबूब में क्या नहीं, क्या नहीं, मेरे महबूब में क्या नहीं। भोली सूरत आना नाज़नी, भोली सूरत आना नाज़नी, नाज़नी, मेरे महबूब में क्या नहीं, क्या नहीं, मेरे महबूब में क्या नहीं। मेरा महबूब एक चांद है, हुस्न अपना निखारे हुए, आसमां का फरिश्ता है वो, रूप इंसा का धारे हुए, रश्के जन्नत है वो महजबी, रश्के जन्नत है वो महजबी, महजबी, मेरे महबूब में क्या नहीं, क्या नहीं। बाहो अंजुम हो या कहकशा, सबसे प्यारा है मेरा सनम।
So this song, मेरे महबूब में क्या नहीं, क्या नहीं, we had done when it was a friendship day. So two friends were trying to praise their महबूब, and for this dance we won a prize. Next slide, next song please.
दिल में आज क्या है, तू कहे तो मैं बता दूं।
झूठ बोले, अरे झूठ बोले कौवा काटे, काली कौवे से डरियो, मैं मायके चली जाऊंगी तुमसे। ए रहियो, मैं मायके चली जाऊंगी तुमसे, ए रहियो।
बचना ए हसीनो, लो मैं आ गया, बचना ए हसीनो, लो मैं आ गया। हुस्न का आशिक, हुस्न का दुश्मन, और दुनिया है यारों से जुदा है।
उड़े जब जब जुल्फी तेरी, उड़े जब
मुस्कुराए, तुम पास आए, यूं मुस्कुराए, तुमने न जाने क्या सपने दिखाए। अब तो मेरा दिल जागे न सोता है, क्या करूं हाय, कुछ कुछ होता है, क्या करूं हाय, कुछ कुछ होता है, कुछ कुछ होता है, कुछ कुछ होता है।
And this medley we had done for our Rotarian friend Dr. Anil Kumta's daughter's wedding. I hope you all liked it. Komal, can we move? This Subi Dubi was at our very good friend's daughter's wedding, Dr. Manju Bhatia and Ramesh Bhatia. At Nisha's wedding, we had performed this song. Can we proceed, Komal?
खुल जाए वही बात तो दुहाई है दुहाई होठों
Yeah. Next one, can we go? Next.
हाल कैसा है जनाब का, क्या ख्याल है आपका, तुम तो मचल गए हो, यूं ही फिसल गए आ उड़ड़े उड़ड़े उड़ड़े।
This performance was at my son's Sangeet. There was a lot of tension, but still we managed to dance. Can we move to the next?
The signature dance.
This will be the, no, not, this is 1 minute, Komal. Without this dance, the program cannot end. This is the signature dance. Start. Komal, can we go to the next? So friends, my love for dancing, the legacy continues. This is my granddaughter Arini in California learning Kathak. Unfortunately, I don't have the dance. Second, can we move? Komal, next slide. This is just an impromptu dance by my twin granddaughters, my son Tejas and Mansi's children. Can we play? This is Nishna. The next one. This is Manishka. She likes Bollywood dancing. So continuing, 1 minute, Komal, just a minute. Continuing the legacy of singing, which I used to love, my daughter Drashti, who is a PhD in cell biology, sings very well. And she has learned classical music till level 4. And dancing, I have my daughter-in-law, Mansi, mother of these 2 twins. She also is a gynecologist and an excellent dancer. So with this, friends, this little program comes to an end, and I would like to thank Komal, next slide, Dr. Sangeeta Agrawal and Dr. Mugdha Agarwal. These 2 are the ones, because once Sangeeta asked me, you must present something, and I was in a dilemma. Then I happened to meet Mugdha. Then Mugdha told me, your passion is dancing. Why don't you do something about it? So that is why I am here today. My husband, Dr. Rajesh Dave, who has given me support, and also all the technical know-how is his. Then my dance mentors, Parijat Naik and Tamohar Biswas. Then a person who has put all these things together, along with Rajesh, is Ajit Tamapurkar. All my colleagues and friends who are present over here. And a big thank you to Komal and Emcure Pharma. Thanks a lot. Yeah, Komal, that's the end.
That's the end, Doctor.
Yeah, end of the program, my program.
Okay. So I'll just stop sharing, and if you want to have any session with the participants or anyone would like to ask any questions. So I can see a few messages in the chat box. Please sing one song. Somebody is saying that please sing one song.
One song.
Yes.
पहले वाले पे दो.
If I sing now, it will be a disaster because I think voice is no more the same.
मैं कभी बुलाऊंगी तो आ जाना.
But maybe
क्योंकि मुझे तो लगता ही रहेगा.
पल दिल के पास रहती हो बस. Now I sing now.
Right. So somebody has...
Unmute everybody so they can talk. Anyone wants to ask anything or talk anything?
Yes. They can unmute themselves.
Yeah, please unmute.
Dr. Leila, instead of listening to you, I think we would like to see a signature dance step. Leila.
Yeah.
That was the best, ultimate. Yes, excellent.
Yeah.
Very
Can I chip in? Can I chip in?
No doubt.
Okay. Yeah, once all the vaccinations are over, then we will have a physical meet and we all will be dancing to all the tunes.
Ma'am.
Hi, Manishka, Nishna. How are you? These are my granddaughters, Nishna and Manishka.
They dance so cutely, very nice.
Yeah?
They dance so cutely.
Thank you, Meghna. So this was the last show of our out of the box meetings. I think the format is changing from this month. All the gynecologists have finished displaying their passion and their talent, and today was the last show.
Okay.
Well done, Leila. All the best.
Ma'am, fantabulous, huh? Both of you.
Very nice.
Great. I have written that you are the dancing duo. Great. Enjoyed it. Very nice.
Good.
Very nice.
So much.
Great. Thank you. Enjoy.
Good. Thank you.
Well, great performance.
Thank you, Pankaj.
Yeah.
Leila?
You should present in our club.
Yeah.
You both match up to each other. Beautifully match up to each other.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah. So Thank you, everybody.
Yeah, you have really trained Dr. Rajesh and you have really made God. Very nice, sir. Nice that you gave her company. Very few of them do that, I suppose.
Real strong vibe, you know.
Requires good people to teach. So like Amar and Parijat,
They were
behind us.
Great teachers. Actually, in fact, Amar,
Yeah.
you
Enjoyed your chin chin too. Liked it very much. Your attire and the beat, everything nice.
Laila,
Yes.
enjoyed very much. खूप मजा આવી ગઈ.
That's my brother.
Hi, Leila.
Hi.
It was enjoyable. Deepa.
Deepa is around. Deepa.
Yeah, Deepa, I could not see you clearly. Thank you.
Okay.
Deepa was my roommate. I mean, we were together in KEM doing MBBS. And one of the things which I did tatting and I made flowers, Deepa preserved it till now and she gave me 2 of those back. After 50 years, all that she was sorry, and she took it out as a remembrance. Yes.
You were so, I think you were so multi-talented. Dancing, singing, tatting, and whatnot.
Thank you.
Yeah, okay. Okay, see you. It was enjoyable.
I'm a gynecologist. Because that makes okay.
Chalo.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, doctor. Thank you so much.
Bye.
Thank you,
This is
Laila.
such
Nice
an
presentation.
enjoyable
Good night.
session.
Bye.
Bye, Daddy.
Very nice.
Dr. Laila, you're really
Hello, Rajesh. Thank you very
bye
much.
bye kids. Kiddos, bye bye. Pursue your dancing, both of you.
Bye.
Yeah, pursue your dancing, both of you. Don't leave your grandmom.
क्या बेटा मनीष का निशना बाय बेटा है.
Bye.
Okay, I'll end the meeting, doctor.
We have to see you all dance together sometime.
Thank you.
Bye. Okay, sure.
बंद करना ते वरना बंद करना बंद
Log out.
Bye, Rajesh.
बस उसको दिए मैंने पैसे तो मेरा गोल जॉब जितना मैंने बोला ना उसको अच्छे से सफाई किया nothing like freshly the ground floor or sort of water plants freshly colored rooms and
पापा नींद आ रही है
Laila, great show. Love you. Very nicely done. Very nicely
it
done.
was like I become miserable when my hair looked bad. My heart just sinks. I don't know, it shouldn't be like this, but it is. और वो ऐसे पानी खड़ा रहा ऐसे दाग फर्श पे मैला पाइप में and then फिर वो picked up the phone में 4-5 साल बाद फोन किया था उसने ले लिया फोन
We can leave? Okay. I'll end the meeting. Thank you, doctor.
Thank you.